Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter. In this video, we will use algebraic techniques to compute the limit as x approaches 3 of x squared minus 9 all over x minus 3. We begin by factoring the numerator, which gives the limit as x approaches 3 of x minus 3 times x plus 3 all over x minus 3. Simplifying gives the limit as x approaches 3 of x plus 3. Using the sum rule gives the limit as x approaches 3 of x plus the limit as x approaches 3 of 3. Taking the limits, we arrive at 3 plus 3. Adding, we arrive at a final answer of 6. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.